Quest is a platform that we have been hosting for 7 years now across Pakistan, held physically in Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad, who will come together to compete in competitions like software testing, design and coding, and network with like-minded women.
Hello, my name is Hamna Miraj and I'm really excited to participate in testing competition of Women Tech Quiz #WTQ 2023.
Women are blessed with so many innate traits and they can achieve anything if they set their goals, you set your mind to it, and be resilient and persevere.
We've got quite a few really competitive girls participating, and as you can see, everybody's really quiet and focused on the work, and we're so excited to see who's going to win this year.
Networking is one of the biggest challenges women have in Pakistan. Women hesitate, they don't get the right platforms, they don't get the right environments, and what WTQ is providing us today, it is giving us an environment that allows women to come into a safe space and feel confident to network, mingle, meet other women, and learn from one another.
So having a competition solely for women was a huge opportunity for me, and it will surely help students who are even in school. They'll get to know more about these competitions and then they will be introduced to the tech industry.
ऐसी communities और ऐसे events जो है वो allow होते हैं for a lot of those conversations to start to happen which are not allowed for us. So it's very, very important and had a lovely time.
I'm Zanera and I just won professional design competition. Honestly, this is the exact boost that I needed in my life right now.
My name is Shiza and it was a wonderful experience participating at the Women Tech Quest. I just won the design competition in the students category and I'm beyond happy.
Overall, it was a very great experience and I am looking forward to attend many such events. Thank you to 10 Quills for always giving me such wonderful opportunities.